Okay guys, first thing we're going to do, we are going to go down to our taskbar and right click on our taskbar so that we're going to find our task manager. So we're going to go ahead and select our task manager, and it should bring out a page that looks like this. So we're going to go over to the top and make sure that the processor is being selected at the moment. So we're going to now scroll down to Windows Explorer. So we're going to scroll down to till you find the Windows Explorer, and so once you find it, just go ahead and right click on it. Then we are going to go ahead and end task. So what it's going to simply do is going to end your user interface. So in order to bring back your user interface, go ahead to the top side and click on file, then click on run new task. Then it should bring up this small text screen. You're going to go back to the text area and type in explorer.exe. That's explorer.exe. So once you're done, just simply press OK, and you should find your UI running again. So we're going to go ahead and run our command prompt with administrative permission. So we're going to go over to our Windows icon right there and type in cmd, and then we're going to right click on the command prompt, then run under administrator. So what we need to first of all type in is the slmgr blank space -rearm. So once you're done, we're going to hit enter, and it should bring up this message that looks like this. So we're going to go ahead and click on OK and close down our command prompt and everything, and basically this should guarantee fix that problem. Now you can now restart your PC, and hopefully that your problem should be disappeared. So go ahead and hit that